What's up, everybody? My name is Miguel Quiles. You're here on my channel, so you already know who I am. Anyway, I'm here in New York City and I'm doing a 10-minute challenge with this guy right here, Mr. Taylor Jackson. Part two, I guess, part one, I don't know, whatever part of it is where he's shooting is gonna be on his channel that I'm gonna link in the description. But today, I'm actually gonna be shooting with Masumi, and we're gonna walk around this New York City block and try to take as many photos as we can possibly take in 10 minutes. So 10-minute photo challenge using the A7RIII and the 135mm 1.8 G Master lens. I was actually gonna use a different lens because on Taylor's video, he used the 35, and that's super versatile for doing this type of stuff. 135 is a little bit restrictive, but whatever. We're gonna try to make it work and get some beautiful shots. And let me know when we can get this bad boy going. Hold on, let me make sure camera's on.
3,
Cool.
2, 1.
Boom, game on. Okay, perfect. So do me a favor. So stand right here, shoulder against the wall. Ooh, 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 that looks good. Don't move. Hold that right there. Get my settings. Beautiful. Somehow or another, we have this like gorgeous Rembrandt lighting. Beautiful. Love that. Nice. Perfect. All right. Bocal. Yes, the Bocal lovers. All right, let's do this. Bocal. I should have worn a belt with 2 mic packs. I'm struggling right now. Stand right here. Come forward a little tiny bit. A little bit more. Yep. Perfect. Very nice. Excellent. Hold that. Beautiful. All right, let me see if I can get in the street for one since I got a 135. All right, so right there, a little bit over. Let me know if I have a car. All right. Perfect. All right. Slowly gonna make my way back over to the High Line. Try to find a good spot there. I know, it was like a perfect spot over there. Look at this, 2 mic packs. My pants are just falling off. So forgive me. Actually, let's do one here. Leaning up against this. Maybe come forward a little tiny bit, like right here. Love that. Let me back up a mile. Very nice. Perfect. All right. And then what if we do one here? We can sit on the corner on that little joint right there. Yeah, just like that. And then perfect. Perfect. All right.
6 minutes.
6 minutes. Let's do it. Ooh, across the street. I want that flower wall. Oh yeah. Beautiful. All right, do me a favor. Come this way, stand that way. There we go. That way I get some in the background. Lovely. Perfect. All right, let's do it. How am I on time?
4:45.
Sweet. We got this. 5 minutes and counting. You know what? Hang on. Let's do one. Let's do one seated right here. Yeah, like right here on this spot. I want to see, so like kind of sitting down, legs crossed. and then I'll sit a mile away. Yeah, like seating. So, like that. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna burn up a minute or so waiting for people to walk by, but okay, perfect. Booty crack, booty crack, booty crack. All right, let's do this. He must know that I'm doing a 10-minute challenge. That's why he let me cross. All right, so the stairs. Where do you think the stairs for that are? Bummer. That is not an entrance to Highline. Okay, it's cool. Let's walk this way then. So let's do one actually right here. I'm gonna try to see if I can do something with this multicolored background. Ooh, very nice actually. Beautiful. Let's swing around this way. Bacau, look at the beautiful Bacau. Beautiful, all right. How's my time? 2 minutes, 11 seconds, all right. Is this thing open? All right. You're gonna make a phone call, but you're gonna make it beautifully. Beautiful phone call. And you're looking at the camera just like that. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, you can call your Congress rep.
Oh, it works?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
So it is a phone in your room.
Oh, this is cool. Very nice. Okay, do me a favor. Look towards me. There you go. Come forward a little tiny bit, a little more. There you go, just like that. Perfect, all right. Direct line to Congress on the oldest phone of all time. Minute 14, all right. I really want to use these, but they're tied, so. I'm gonna have you stand right here. Yep. Just enough time. Very nice. Take a small step this way. There you go. Okay, hang on. Pants falling, pants falling. 10 seconds. Beautiful. Love that.
That is all.
Boom. We got it. Well, that was fun. A little bit harder than you would think to run around with no belt, with 2 mic packs on the back, just exposing your butt crack to all of New York. But that's probably not the weirdest thing that you'll see if you ever come out to New York. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Really the big takeaway for these challenges is that you gotta be creative, you gotta be quick, you gotta think on your feet. If you're a wedding photographer and you're trying to learn how to do that better, don't watch me because I'm lazy, I shoot in a studio, I take my time. Watch this guy because he's used to doing that, right? You're used to running around and just quickly taking shots.
That's my life.
So Taylor Jackson on YouTube, Instagram, all that good stuff. Make sure you check out his video on his channel. Again, it'll be linked in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And also make sure you follow Masumi. She was awesome, came out here on last minute notice to come through to make a video for you guys. So show some love, give her a follow on Instagram. Check you guys out in the next video.